Today, we delve into a game-changing innovation poised to redefine the landscape of 360 degrees content creation, the Insta360 X5. As the action camera industry continues its relentless pursuit of excellence, brands like DJI and GoPro are setting high benchmarks in innovation and functionality. Amidst this competitive atmosphere, Insta360 stands out with its cutting-edge solutions. With the Insta360 X5 generating anticipation, let's explore why this upcoming camera might just set a new standard for 360 degrees content creators worldwide. A revolution in lens durability. One of the defining features rumored for the Insta360 X5 is its revolutionary approach to lens durability. While the Insta360 X4 introduced removable lens guards resembling basic UV filters, the X5 is expected to elevate this concept dramatically. Advanced lens protection systems are reportedly in the works, designed to safeguard the camera's unique protruding lenses while maintaining their ability to capture breathtaking 360 degrees footage. This enhancement is particularly crucial as the rounded design of 360 degrees lenses makes them vulnerable to scratches and expensive replacements. With this upgrade, outdoor enthusiasts and adventure seekers can capture their journeys in rugged environments without worrying about damaging their equipment. Enhanced sensor capabilities. The Insta360 X5 is rumored to bring significant upgrades in sensor technology. While the X4 featured a 0.5-inch sensor, the X5 is expected to leap forward with a 1-inch sensor. This advancement would dramatically improve light capture, enhance low-light performance, and deliver sharper visuals. With the X4 already producing impressive 22-megapixel 360 degrees images and 18-megapixel directional shots, the X5 could redefine visual expectations in the action camera market. Such an upgrade would appeal to professional content creators and hobbyists, offering unparalleled image quality that captures every detail. Superior audio technology. Audio quality has always been a challenge for action cameras, especially in demanding environments. The Insta360 X5 is rumored to tackle this with advanced audio technologies, such as AI-powered noise cancellation. This feature could ensure crystal-clear sound, even in windy or noisy locations, making it an essential tool for creators who require high-quality audio alongside stunning visuals. Imagine capturing a thrilling mountain climb or an urban exploration with a sound that matches the immersive quality of the visuals. The X5 could make this a reality. GPS tracking for immersive storytelling. Another exciting rumor surrounding the Insta360 X5 is the integration of GPS tracking capabilities. This feature, popularized by devices like the GoPro Hero 13, allows users to geotag footage and create dynamic journey timelines. For travel vloggers and adventure enthusiasts, GPS integration could elevate storytelling by transforming the camera into a comprehensive content creation tool. This functionality would make it easier to document and share immersive experiences, adding depth and context to every frame. Advanced thermal management. Overheating is a common issue for action cameras during extended recording sessions. The Insta360 X5 is expected to address this challenge with advanced cooling technology. By ensuring reliable performance even during long shoots, the X5 could become a dependable companion for creators on the go. Improved power efficiency is also rumored, reducing the need for frequent battery swaps and enhancing usability. Together, these features would make the X5 a robust and practical choice for demanding content creation scenarios. Competitive pricing. Industry analysts predict that the Insta360 X5 will fall within a competitive price range of $499 to $599. This pricing strategy, if paired with cutting-edge features, could position the X5 as a standout option in the market. By striking a balance between innovation and affordability, Insta360 has the potential to appeal to a wide range of users, from professionals to casual content creators, redefining the 360 degrees camera experience. From robust lens protection and an upgraded sensor to superior audio quality, GPS tracking, and advanced thermal management, the Insta360 X5 is shaping up to be a transformative device. These rumored features suggest that the X5 could cater to both professionals and hobbyists, offering a versatile tool for capturing life's extraordinary moments. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer, a travel vlogger, or a creative enthusiast, The X5 promises to deliver an unparalleled 360 degrees content creation experience. The future of content creation. As we await the official announcement of the Insta360 X5, the excitement surrounding its potential features continues to grow. Will this camera live up to the hype and set a new standard in the action camera industry? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. The Insta360 X5 has captured the imagination of creators worldwide. Its rumored innovations could redefine how we capture and share our most memorable experiences. What are your thoughts on the Insta360 X5? Are you excited about the possibilities it offers? Or do you think Insta360 faces a steep challenge in delivering on these ambitious promises? Let us know your opinions in the comments below. And don't forget to stay tuned for more updates on the latest advancements in technology right here on Technology in the Future.